Shiba Inu has been experiencing explosive growth over the past 2 days, and this is a pivotal moment for the breed. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or possess SHIB tokens. What is the latest news on Shiba Inu coins, and how will it affect their value? In today's video, I'll address these questions and provide you with all the information about Shiba Inu that has lately been revealed that can increase their value. This movie is the result of extensive research on my part. So make sure you stay until the very end to get all the information. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. But before we get into that, let's have a look at the Shiba price chart. On at roughly 2007 units, you can get a Shiba Inu. In the previous day, the price of SHIB, which is traded for $1.2 billion, has fallen 6%. The token's market value has surpassed $11.7 billion, making it the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. This is not a financial advising video, and the prices shown may have changed since you last watched it. The video for today will begin shortly. If Shiba Inu were awake yesterday, why was that? Major factors contributing to the present price hike. After being trapped in a horizontal consolidation between 1,500 and 1,200 units since the beginning of August, Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme currency by market capitalization, emerged from the liquidity zone. After a 15% increase in the past 48 hours, about 2,007 units of the large-cap meme currency were traded during Thursday's early New York session. The currency has deep liquidity of over $7 million after 6 months of turbulence. Markets, the daily relative strength index is above 70%, therefore Shiba Inu bulls can be considered to be back in control. The primary causes of the recent uptick in Shiba Inu TVL development of Shibarium in the short time since the Bone Crusher was unveiled. The total value of Shibarium, the Shiba Inu solution for Layer 2 scaling on the Ethereum network, has risen to more than $3.64 million. As Shibarium develops further, this week's performance lays the groundwork for what's to come. The platform's growth in the decentralized finance space will depend on the level of community involvement. Among the best-performing DeFi projects on the Shibarium network, according to Lucy, the head marketer for Shiba Inu, are Marswap and ChewySwap, presenting SHI stablecoins. In an attempt to boost liquidity among other ecosystem utilities, Ryoshi and the other primary Shiba Inu developers plan to add stablecoins soon. With the launch of SHI stablecoins, the Shiba Inu meme currency will surpass its competitors and get greater investor confidence. As the project progresses, the team claims that SHI will enhance the SHIB ecosystem's capabilities, providing a solid groundwork for decentralized finance and fortifying the overall financial climate. You can see my earlier video in which I go into greater detail posted following this one. The developers of Shiba Inu have announced the release of SHIB Eternity alongside D3 with the goal of increasing the adoption of its DeFi protocols. Although it is not yet integrated, SHIB Eternity aims to empower users by providing them with greater control over their online identities and assets. This will make it simpler to manage their appearance across decentralized networks. Developments in the network and an optimistic outlook on the market. The fact that Shiba Inu, the Ethereum network's most famous meme currency, has attracted more institutional investors seeking diversification for their cryptocurrency holdings, and there are more than 1.4 million owners. The price of Shiba Inu surged in October following the lead of Dogecoin and Bitcoin as the market's impact on cryptocurrencies reached new heights. Please think about clicking the like button on the event you're still watching. Helps with channel support and doesn't cost anything. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest Shiba Inu news, as well as how and what the Shiba Inu currency could evolve into. After an update on Shiba Eternity, new characters appeared: SHIB and Bone. On Thursday, the Shiba Inu leadership team released a plethora of announcements, sending the two largest currencies in the Shibarium ecosystem soaring. According to Lucy, head of marketing for Shiba, unexpected problems have delayed the release of Phase 2 of Shiba Eternity, which is called Advances. The group is primarily concerned with doing what is best for the community. While Shibarium is still in beta, the developers at Shiba Inu Games are hard at work fixing bugs like the loading screen. Her gaming firm has already issued a full guide for the P2E version. Phase 2 of Shiba Eternity is going to be released on Shibarium. A Web3 edition of the mobile collecting card game Shiba Eternity is expected to enter closed beta testing during Phase 2 of the project. Early access will be available to Shibashis. Owners of Shibashis and Shiba Eternity Mythology NFTs are the first to transform the virtual cards of Shiba Eternity into tradable assets on the blockchain. The franchise's popularity grew with the release of Shiba Eternity in October 2022, thanks to the curiosity of mobile card gang aficionados. The latest P2E version, accessible on the Shibarium network, includes features such as reward competitions and true ownership of in-game assets. Shiba Inu jumped 3 months height. It appears that SHIB has managed to break through the symmetrical triangle, rising from a daily low of $14.94 to $17.29 units. Its price exceeded the August 25, 2024 bull run, a level not seen since late July 2024. In addition to 10% gains, Bong Shiba Swap set a new monthly high of $0.46, with a 3-month high of $0.58 on July 16, 2024. Official gas tax token of Shibarium is still far from being implemented. Into the Block states that the present resistance bubble will burst if Bong closes over $0.04. Despite the brief setback, the good pricing trend for Bong Shiba Swap is expected to continue. At an average price of $0.55, where 8.83 cadres own 48.61 Shiba Inu bones, traders are likely to start making money. Since just 23% of present boned caretakers are profitable at this pricing, the developments of the Shibarium system will significantly influence the road higher. Shibarium L2 has just launched a decentralized software for liquid derivative stakes that is functionally comparable to the Ethereum Lido protocol. The action immediately raised the overall value locked for Shibarium. Yet, despite requests from SHIB Army members, the exchange has not been published on major platforms like Binance and Qcoin, thus users are unable to trade Bong Shiba. The Shiba Inu is in a highly overbought condition, as seen by its stochastic relative strength index of 83. What makes this important? Beyond their comedic character, Shiba Inus have become a real investment possibility thanks to their practical nature and the backing of the community. Now we can get to the meat of today's video. There are signs that Shiba Inu may have reached a peak. A cryptocurrency analyst has noticed the breakout from a downward trend line, which suggests a good turnaround in price movement. Examining patterns in pricing, the white declining trend line, which displays the price movement of SHIB, consistently exhibits lower highs and a prolonged downward trend. The continuation of this downward trend is causing investors to feel uneasy. However, there appears to be space to climb higher due to the recent breakout above this trend line, which shows that momentum may be shifting. If you want to be a good price forecaster, you need to know where the levels of support and resistance are. The previous low of 1,000 units is an important support level that buyers might use as a base if the price retraces. As the price is being sold down, there are numerous upside resistance levels, the most immediate of which is 2,007 units. With 4,000 units standing as the next major obstacle, traders can aim for greater resistance levels if the bullish trend continues. Above this point, at 7,000 units, you'll encounter a significant barrier. Breaking these levels could solidify SHIB's upward trend. The current market outlook is encouraging, with forecasts and indicators pointing to a live price of 1,998 units for Shiba Inu. With $1.2 billion in trade activity, SHIB has had a notable growth of 12.66% in the last 48 hours. When trading activity is high, it means that investors are enthusiastic about the market. The positive outlook is backed by market signs, according to the SHIB one-day price indicator. With a one-day relative strength index of 74.28, SHIB may be overbought in the near future. When the one-day moving average convergence divergence is trading over the signal line, it could mean that prices are about to correct or retreat. In a show of solidarity with the Shiba Inu brand and its creators, several SHIB subscribers have pledged to hold on to their millions of units for the next 5 years rather than sell them. Can you?